Dear students, as we are solving some of the examples on the transportation problem, since we have seen the procedure and one example on the Modi method for the balanced problem, for the imbalanced problem, we shall see the procedure as well as solving example at the end, because it requires some little more procedure and the lengthy time to resolve the things in a clear manner. In continuation of the same, for the assignment problem, as I have already sent the procedure in the morning, please go through stepwise accordingly. Using that procedure, keeping in your mind, let me take one simple example. The question will be, find the optimum solution to the following assignment problem showing the cost in rupees for the assigning workers to the job. The table is shown here. According to step procedure given, I am going in the same manner. As per the procedure, step 1, since it is a square matrix, number of rows equal to number of columns, it is balanced. Refer here, it is a balanced one. Then go to the next step. In the next step, I mean the second one, subtract the smallest element in each row. Observe the condition here. From all elements in that particular row. From the first row, which is the smallest one, 16 is the smallest one. So divide the first row elements by 16, second row by 13, third row by 20 respectively. We are seeing the same table here. Go to the third step. Subtract the smallest element in each column from all elements in that column. I think there is no change in the column in this procedure, therefore keeping the same one. Again, take the care that we shall start the subtracting the smallest element according to the row wise, then column wise. Do not interchange the procedure. Go to the step 4. Draw a minimum number of lines, both horizontal and vertical, so as to cross out all the zeros. Observe here. Draw a minimum number of lines, both horizontal and vertical. It should cover both horizontal and vertical to cross out all the zeros. In the first column, only 1 0, second column 1 0, third column 1 0. Therefore, I am taking in this manner. We can see in the above matrix that a minimum of 3 lines are required to cover all the zeros. Refer this condition. Here, number of lines used n equal to 3, as showing with the red ink. Order of square matrix equal to 3 from the given. Therefore, capital N equal to small n equal to 3, which is the case 1. That is number of rows equal to number of columns. Since next go to the step 6. In the next step 6, what is the condition? Consider each row. If there is only one zero, box that 0 and cross out all zeros in that column. In this problem, there is only 1 0 in each column. Hence, the assignment is box the 0 minimum in the column wise or row wise. The assignment is what? A to Z in the first row, B to Y, C to X. Okay, therefore the cost of element, the boxed element is 0, its respective element in the given matrix will be what? 16. Yes, we are putting 16. Then in the second one, B to Y, what is the respective element in the given matrix? It will be 13, therefore it is 13. Similarly, for the third element C to X, it will be 19. The sum of these three will be total cost, that is rupees 48. Using the same procedure, and given one more example, please go through accordingly. Okay, just next, here the procedure is given in a very simple manner. Though the first example is given with only the 3 by 3 matrix, the second matrix is given with 5 by 5 matrix. Take the care. The procedure is same thing, nothing to worry about it. Only thing is you need to take the care while going through the procedure. One more thing, in the examination, do not write the procedure. Only according to stepwise you need to write the respective tables. Okay. Therefore, it is shown here according to condition. The box rows are here. Just observe, in the first row J2 is keeping with the box 1, and the third one we are putting the cross. That is what? There is no repetition. Again, take the care that in either row or column there is no repetition of the box. Observe here, in the first row only one box, in the second row only one, third row only one, fourth row only one, fifth row only one. Again, in the column there is no intersection between the row and column. That is, there is no repetition in either column or row wise. Take the care according to condition. The total cost will be rupees 21 in the second example. Okay, thank you.